normally I do, for over the last few years, a spoof video that is a Nightmare Advent Calendar based on the trends, the products they've sent out during the course of that year. So if there's lots of First Aid Beauty, then that makes an appearance in my calendar. If there's a lot of NARS Mini Orgasm Blush, that makes an appearance in my Nightmare Advent Calendar. As you can guess, you know, some of them, the contents have overlapped of my Nightmare Advent Calendar. So this is purely for spoof purposes. This is not real. You can't buy this, I'm afraid. Also, there will be horrible singing. So the first time I'm going to sing really slow because I've got to show you each product. Yeah, there are 24 products in my Nightmare Advent Calendar, and the song actually came to me when I was in the shower, and I've actually written down the lyrics in my year planner, and yeah, I will be singing it slowly the first time, the second time a bit faster, so if you want you can join in. Singing is horrible. I am tune deaf and pitchless, pitch non-existent. Forgive me, I'm not a trained singer or anything, never went to singing classes even once in my life. And I've got the contents of this calendar over here so that everything is kind of handy. So even so, you know, when you're singing, it'll take time to pick each product up. Hang on, where did I put? Ah, there it is. First product, you know. So if you have been watching you know, looking at all the Advent calendars that have launched this year, I think you can guess some of the products already, and you would be right, you know. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Yeah, feel free to laugh at my singing, but you know, it isn't funny in the sense that the reason I'm doing this is because Advent calendars used to be lovely. I was a fan myself. They were fresh, the products were fresh, recent launches in there, a nice, exciting beauty to try out, and now they're an utter cash grab. They're practically swindling us, you know. There's so much repetition, there's, you know, so much tat, you know, bracelets and pillowcases and mirrors and whatnot, you know, that are Poundland level products, you know, things that cost a few pop, a few pence, a few cents. And they tell you that it costs, you know, 30 quid, 40 quid, 5,960 quid. The prices of these Advent calendars are going up, 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 and the value is coming down, 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 down. Which is why I'm doing this, to point out what is happening. So, off we go. Right, I'll start. Where is the second product? Yeah. Beta and BS and satin pillowcases. Boom Boom Cream, Avant and toothpaste and tweezers, gua sha stones, scrunchies, and pocket mirrors too. These are just some of the tripe that you get. Sorry. Right, next verse. Eye masks and Paula's Choice, elasticizers. Oh dear. CT quads, shade masks, and Olaplex #3, hair care overkill, and a black mascara, a mini candle, and a tiny perfume, eyeliners, makeup sponges, oral supplements too. I simply look at the tripe they send out, that's why I won't buy any box. Sorry. Right, in case you wanted to hear that nonsense again, it's Beta and BS and satin pillowcases, Boom Boom Cream, Avant and toothpaste and tweezers, gua sha stones, scrunchies, sorry, that's not a scrunchie, that's an eye mask, scrunchies, and pocket mirrors too. These are just some of the tripe they sent out. I must send Paula's Choice elasticizers, CT quad sheet masks and Olaplex #3, hair care overkill and black mascaras, a mini candle and a tiny perfume, eyeliners, makeup sponges, oral supplements too. I simply look at the tripe they've sent out, and then I won't buy any box. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm so sorry for doing that to you lot. But yeah, it's ridiculous this year. It's ridiculous. Beta is practically in everything apart from the vegan and the Korean Advent calendars. Barbara Sturm is in everything. Lots of people have sent out pocket mirrors. Lots of people have sent out satin pillowcases or pillowcases. Gua sha stones in a lot of calendars. Scrunchies in so many. Eyeliners are back and supplements in so many of them. Oh my god. Paula's Choice back again. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And yeah, I had to do something. Something had to give. I'm not buying a single advent calendar this year so far. Something had to give, people. This was my reaction. I'm so sorry. I won't do it again. Yeah, just go away and forget that this never happened, people. That's all I can say. Right, I'm going to stop joking or singing and singing now. And yeah, I wish you all a great day ahead. And thank you for putting up with that. And I'll speak to you soon.